Good morning, my dear children. I hope you all are doing your homework side by side. रोज अपना homework कर रहे हो ना? पक्का? Good. Now, my dear children, today we will be doing new chapter of GK, My Food. You know, there are 3 main meals in a day. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. Breakfast means नाश्ता, lunch means दोपहर का खाना and dinner रात का खाना. Okay, now my dear children, take out your books and let us read this chapter, My Food. Beta, take out page number 4040. Let us read the chapter, My Food. We eat food to live. हम खाना क्यों खाते हैं? Food means खाना. खाना क्यों खाते हैं बेटा? To live. जीने के लिए. Food gives us energy to work and play. We all know that we have to work. है ना? हम सबको काम करना पड़ेगा और करते हैं हम सब, है ना? And प्ले, हम खेलते भी हैं, राइट? तो जब हम काम करते हैं और या खेलते हैं तो काम करने और खेलने के लिए वी नीड एनर्जी, राइट? एंड फ्रॉम वेयर डू वी गेट एनर्जी? वी गेट एनर्जी बाय ईटिंग फूड, राइट? खाना खाने से हमें एनर्जी मिलती है. एंड व्हेन वी गेट एनर्जी देन only we can do our work and play, right? I take breakfast in the morning. You know, breakfast is the first meal in a day, right? In the morning when you people get up, then you brush your teeth and take bath, and after that you have your breakfast in the morning, right? I like bread and jam. Some people like to eat bread and jam in the morning, some like to eat parantha, and some like to eat chapati with vegetable. It's according to everybody's wish. ठीक है? जिसको जो अच्छा लगता है वो मॉर्निंग में ब्रेकफास्ट में खाता है. ओके, देन I eat lunch in the afternoon. Lunch is the second midday meal, right? I told you that there are 3 main meals in a day. One is breakfast, then is lunch. We also call it midday meal. Okay? I eat lunch in the afternoon. At 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock we all have our lunch. Lunch मैंने आपको क्या बताया था? दोपहर का खाना, right? I like roti and dal. Many of us eat roti with dal and some eat roti with vegetable, na? And some like to eat rice also. Next, I eat dinner at night. Dinner is the third meal in a day. Dinner हम कब करते हैं? Night में, रात को. I like to eat rice and vegetables. In the dinner, we all eat rice, chapati, vegetables, dal. है ना? खाते हो आप भी? We all should eat vegetables. Vegetables are good for health. I know you all know this thing. I drink milk in the morning and in the evening. We all should drink milk. Especially for small kids like you. You all should drink milk 2 times a day. One in the morning and one in the evening. Beta, milk is very important for our teeth and bones. ना, जो आपके टीथ जब गिर जाते हैं तो फिर नए तभी आएंगे जब आप बहुत सारा अच्छे से दूध पियोगे, है ना, तो फिर दांत नहीं आएंगे. ओके. I chew my food well and never talk while eating. You all know that whenever we have our food, we should chew it properly. अच्छे से चबा के खाना चाहिए हमें खाना बेटे. And never talk while eating. And we should not talk when we are having our food. It's a bad habit if we are talking while eating. ये गंदी बात होती है, हमें खाना खाते हुए कभी बात नहीं करनी चाहिए. I do not waste food. We should not waste food. आपको जितना खाना है आप उतना खाना प्लेट में लो, ठीक है. ऐसा नहीं है कि पहले ढेर सारा खाना डाल लो, फिर अगर नहीं खाना तो कोई बात नहीं, कह दो बस और नहीं खाना. नो बेटा, इट्स अ बैड हैबिट. वी शुड नॉट वेस्ट फूड. Okay, now my dear children, for a better clarity, let me show you something else. There are 3 main meals which many of us eat as breakfast, lunch and dinner. बच्चे, ब्रेकफास्ट मीन्स सुबह का नाश्ता. सुबह नाश्ता करते हो ना आप. In the morning, first you brush your teeth, then you take bath, then you have your breakfast. Lunch. Lunch means दोपहर का खाना. दोपहर को आप खाना खाते हो. Lunch is the second meal of the day, right? Then is dinner. Dinner is रात का खाना, जो रात को खाते हो सोने से पहले. That is dinner. Let me tell you all the meals in detail. First is breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal taken in the morning. सबसे पहले हम मॉर्निंग में ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं. And what did you eat in your breakfast? You eat sandwich, cereals, fruits, vegetables, and your most favorite paranthas with tea, coffee. Lunch. Lunch is the midday meal. You can say second meal of the day. दोपहर में आप खाना खाते हो. That is lunch. Now tell me, what do you like to have in your lunch? You like rice, chapati with curry pakoda or any other vegetable or dal. Next is dinner. Dinner means रात का खाना. Dinner is the meal that is taken at night. The meal that you eat before going to bed is dinner. Many of you eat chapati with dal or vegetable. So now you know the 3 main meals are breakfast, lunch and dinner. Children, quickly write down date and day and write down heading of page number 40 and write down beta question number 1. Name 3 meals, N-A-M-E, name 3 meals, M-E-A-L-S, meals we have, W-E-V, have, H-A-V-E, have, in, I-N, in, a day, D-A-Y, day. So let us read the question once more. Name 3 meals we have in a day. Can you tell me the 3 meals that we have in a day? First of all, write down here A1. Now tell me the first meal that we have in a day. Breakfast. Yes. Write down capital B R E A K F breakfast. Speak up once more. BREAKFAST, breakfast. Number 2, lunch. Capital LUNCH, lunch. Speak up bete. LUNCH, lunch. Number 3, dinner. Capital DINNER, dinner. DINNER, dinner. Now let us revise it once more. Name 3 meals we have in a day. Breakfast. BREAKFAST, breakfast. Lunch. LUNCH, lunch. Dinner. DINNER, dinner. My dear kids, write down this question in your notebooks in a very neat and clean handwriting. Okay? And don't forget that you have to learn the spellings also. Okay? Bye-bye. Just now we have done question number 1 of the chapter My Food. अभी हमने meals वाला question किया ना? But now it's time to do blanks of the same chapter. अब हम My Food chapter के blanks करेंगे. Okay? So now take out your notebooks. Yes children, now write down date and day and write down the heading page 40 blanks. Now today we will be doing blanks of page 40. Okay? So let us start. Write down beta number 1 here. We eat, capital W. We eat, EAT, eat. Now leave a blank here. Okay? We eat, leave a blank. In, in, the, 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 morning, MORNING, morning. We eat dash in the morning. हम morning में क्या खाते हैं बताओ? Breakfast. Yes, very good. Now when you are to write breakfast here, ठीक है? तो B small में आना है. Okay बेटा? Write down BREAKFAST, breakfast. Okay? We eat breakfast in the morning. Number 2, we eat, capital W, E, we eat, EAT, eat. Again leave a blank here. In, in, the, 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 afternoon, AFTERNOON, afternoon. We eat dash in the afternoon. Afternoon में हम क्या खाते हैं बताओ? We had our lunch in the afternoon. Yes, we eat lunch. Small l, UNCH, lunch. We eat lunch in the afternoon. Write down now number 3. We eat, WEV, eat, EAT, eat. Leave a blank here. At, 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 night, NIG, HT, night. We eat dash at night. Night में हम क्या खाते हैं? Tell me. We had dinner at night. Yes. So write down dinner here. DINNER, dinner. We eat dinner at night. Now, beta, let us revise. We eat breakfast in the morning. We eat lunch in the afternoon. We eat dinner at night. Now remember कि बेटा whenever you will fill the blanks, you have to write first letter small here. Okay? Don't forget. Now you have to write down these blanks in your notebooks in a very neat and clean handwriting. Okay? अच्छे से करना, साफ साफ handwriting में. Okay? Thank you बेटा. Bye bye.